Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for hotels on the Hopper application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. And at the top you can see this hotels button, so click on it. After that you should tap on the two adults in this pencil icon at the top of the screen in order to change the number of the guests. You can indicate the number of adults and children, then click on the apply button in the middle of the screen, and after that tap on the where to stay box and type in the name of your destination or location where you would like to stay and search for hotels. Here you can see the results. Tap on one of them. After that you should select your check-in and check-out date on the calendar. Click on choose dates down below. Here you can indicate the price range on this slide. The star rating can be set. User rating, you can apply filters such as amenities and then click on the continue button down below. Here you can see the recommendations. You can indicate whether you would like to stay here or not by tapping on either the no or yes button down below, but you can also skip this step by clicking on the skip button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you can proceed, and here you can see the available results that you can choose from. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.